We're walking you through how to create your very own VPN server using a virtual private server and OpenVPN. This simple guide will enhance your online privacy and security. Let's dive in. We're going to set up a VPN server on Ubuntu and connect to it from a Windows desktop. Follow these steps to get your VPN up and running. Step 1. Log into your Linux VPS. First, you need to log into your Linux VPS. We recommend using Termius, a user-friendly SSH client. Open Termius and click New Host. Enter your VPS IP address. Connect by entering your VPS password to access the Linux terminal. Step 2. Install OpenVPN. Run the following commands in your terminal to ensure your server is up to date. Sudo apt update and sudo apt upgrade. Secondly, download and install OpenVPN. Use the script to download and install OpenVPN. During the setup, choose your main server IP, UTP, and Google DNS, create a client name, and you're good to go. The software will create your named .ovpn, which you can use to configure your clients. Step 3. Transfer the OpenVPN file to Windows. Next, let's get that configuration file onto your Windows desktop. Connect via SFTP to drag and drop the .ovpn file to your desktop. Alternative SFTP software. You can also use WinSCP, FileZilla, or other SFTP tools for this step. Step 4. Run the .ovpn file on Windows. Download and install OpenVPN for Windows from their official site. Run the .ovpn file and import the VPN configuration. Step 5. Verify your IP address. Finally, check if your VPN is working by verifying your IP address. Visit websites like What is my IP address or What is my IP? Your IP should match the VPS IP. Why use a VPN? So, why set up a VPN? A VPN masks your IP address and encrypts your internet traffic, helping protect your privacy and allowing you to bypass geographical restrictions. Important reminder. Remember, while a VPN enhances privacy, it doesn't guarantee complete anonymity. Avoid using VPNs for illegal activities, as this could have serious consequences. For more details, for a detailed guide and more information, check out our website page at bmcservers.com. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial useful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. See you next time.